These are the smart glasses of the future. And trust me, they're not just eyewear. They're a window into a whole new world. At first glance, they look like a pair of sleek, stylish glasses. But the moment you put them on, everything changes. The transparent lenses transform into a futuristic display, projecting navigation, notifications, and even holograms right in front of your eyes. Imagine walking down the street, and instead of looking at your phone, directions simply appear in your vision, guiding you step by step. Or picture getting a call from a friend, and instead of fumbling for your device, the caller's name and photo glow inside your glasses. One blink, one gesture, and you can accept or decline. But that's just the beginning. These glasses can translate signs instantly, track your health in real time, and even bring augmented reality entertainment into your everyday life. Movies, games, messages, all floating in front of you, as if the real and digital worlds finally became one. The best part? All of this happens with AI built directly into the device, meaning it responds instantly and privately without needing to connect to the cloud. So the question isn't if smart glasses will change our future. The question is, are you ready for the moment when glasses become the only gadget you'll ever need?